everyone, and thanks for tuning in to Shop Talk with Sarah. I'm Sarah with Premier Couture. Great to be back. Unfortunately, last time I said I was excited for warm weather, and then it's like the weather went, oh, you can have warm, but also will be really wet, so you can't go outside. So I've decided that I can't say anything else because apparently the weather just hates me always. So we're just not going to talk about it ever again until it's snowing. Okay, today I get to talk about one of my favorite things, which is accessories. If you've watched any of my things, you know I'm all about the belts and the sparkle, and really if you let me put things on your dress, I'm going to. So I'm really excited to talk about that today, but first we have a Monday memory. We're going to throw some pictures up from Hannah and Clayton's wedding, which was actually a few years ago now. They are very close to celebrating their 6th wedding anniversary, so early happy anniversary to you two. And here is Hannah's memory. She says, "Memory from our wedding is a moment where my mother and mother-in-law were supposed to light a candle, one for me and one for Clayton, so that we could take our individual candles and combine our light into the unity candle, signifying that we were becoming one. But instead, they lit the unity candle. During a prayer, my sister and maid of honor quickly blew out the unity candle after relighting our individual candles so that no one even noticed the mistake. We had our unity lighting with no issues. It's just one of those funny moments to look back on after the day. I do appreciate it. I kind of appreciate the moms lighting the unity candle because it is also kind of two families coming together as one. And I'm like, Hannah and Clayton are actually my cousin-in-laws. I think we decided last time that that's actually a thing and we're just going to go with it. So knowing them, I know that their families have spent time together, and it really was like two families becoming one, not just Hannah and Clayton as well. So it's kind of a fun thing that their moms lit the unity candle beforehand, and then, they had their thing, but her sister and maid of honor fixed it, and then they were able to, and it did. It went very well. You can see the pictures of them still lighting that candle. So awesome. Thanks for sharing, Hannah. And any of you of our VIP brides, make sure you share your memories with us as well. You can share those on the I'm a Premier Couture VIP bride page. We'd love to have you on there. Ask any questions, give advice. If you want to share your memories, I love seeing them. And we really like seeing everything coming together and even hearing about things in the future. I know I've been able to see a couple of our brides' little babies now, and they are adorable. So if you have any of those, I'll want to see pictures, so go on there and share them, okay? I'm going to be going off screen a couple of times during this, so I'm not leaving completely. But I want to show you how much accessories can kind of transform a dress. One of my favorite things about wedding dresses is they really are a piece of you. You get one that expresses you and that you feel at home in, and accessories with the dress are part of that as well. Because, of course, the dress is awesome, but once you add the accessories, you're also getting accessories that are you. Whether it's the veil with lots of beading, the veil with no beading, just a colorful belt or an ivory belt, or something really blingy. So it's all something that can transform the dress and make it even more all you, which I love. So I'm going to start over here. This dress, super fun tulle skirt. You can see it has all of the wow bigness in the skirt. But I want to show you how you can kind of take that up and bring it all the way up and make this a super princess dress, kind of. Okay, so first, of course, again, if you know me, you know that I'm going to add sparkle. So you can do a super blingy belt here, which I'm just going to slip to the back of this dress so that I can put this on. You guys can see. Okay. And you can see even when I'm just adding a belt, it makes such a big difference in the look of the dress. You do that. And then your really awesome bling. And then you can also add, if you add the blingy veil as well, is going to take it up just another notch in there. Just move the head there. It just makes it really even more princessy throughout the whole thing and more glam. So one way to do that. I'm going to show you this dress one other way. Okay, just kind of bringing it down a little bit in its tone. So if you take these off, I'm going to go rid of this veil, and I'm going to slip the really blingy belt off. Okay, I love the sash on here. You can give yourself a big bow on the back if you want to. then, if you want, you can even just, I'll put this around my neck. Tone it down just a tiny bit, a little bit simpler of a veil here. Okay, I will pull that around. And then if you still really want something at your waist, but you know that you don't want all that bling, you can just do a satin ribbon. And it's still, I really love belts on anything, whether you're doing something really blingy or something really simple and smooth. So that's just a fun way. You tone it down a little bit with those things. You know, even this veil, it has a little bit on the edge, but far less than that last one. So you just get that subtle sparkle. And like I said, then you really have all that wow factor here, but it brings it up to your face by having those. Okay, so awesome way to transform that gown. And then you can have something like this. I'm going to slide this girl out of the way a little bit so that I can get around the dresses. Something like this, super pretty. Just the lace dress all the way down. I love it the way it is. But it's another one that you look at it and you don't think glam right away when you're doing it. Evan's following from the camera. It's scaring me a little bit. So I'm going to use the same really blingy glam belt there. Once again, it's just the simplest touch makes a huge difference. Kind of going from something a little more beachy almost to something a little more Hollywood. And this one, I'm going to do a really sparkly veil there. I love the edging on this one. How fun is that? The embroidery and then the pearl and the rhinestones. So fun. And of course, if you add a necklace to this as well, it's just going to take it up a whole nother notch. There. This veil's not going to cooperate with me on the mannequins. I wish that I would have thought to have someone come in and put on these dresses for me, but I just did not think about it this time. And I'm even going to grab a necklace to show you that too. You know, throwing that on. Of course, normally you wouldn't put it right over the veil, people, but see how adding that sparkle really takes it more to that glam Hollywood stage, red carpet feel, which is so fun. Like I said, it's just all in the accessories. So if you love a dress and you love how you feel in it, but you want more of that sparkle, you can do that and just take that dress to another level, a different level in feeling. Okay? Even something like this one here, where you have all the beading throughout the dress, you can still do a lot with your accessories to make it feel different and really fit kind of how you want to feel that day. So the first one, I put this net on here, and once again, wish I had someone to show it to you on, because it does make even a bigger statement that way. But if you have like a net here, it really, you know, takes it more to that vintage classic feel. But you can also put on just a nice simple edge veil with it, okay? And even with all that sparkle throughout the dress, can kind of take it somewhere else, you know? You do that. And even with this one, if you did like a floral type of headpiece, that would make it so different too. So you see, having something simple on the edge instead of having either the net veil or, you know, something super sparkly on the edge does kind of tone it down a little bit, which is always really interesting to me, the big effect that little accessories can have, which is one reason that I really love them, you know? So once again, awesome way to accessorize, make it super you, okay? But if you did want to add more bling to this dress, I will totally let you, because we have blingy veils and we have some jewelry here right now. So that'd be super fun to add too, if you want to go super bling. Also cute shoes, that'd be fun, okay? This next dress, and once again, I'm just gonna kind of move a little bit as we go so I can get around the dresses. I have accessorized to begin with, okay? Because I thought it was interesting seeing the transformation on this dress. You can see the awesome, this ivory satin bodice here, and the fun pink tulle skirt, which is just a fun little touch if you want to have some color and some pink to it. Really cute. And then this is a little brooch where you can add that little bit of sparkle. Okay, so really fun, super unique. I want to show you now. I'm going to take this stuff off and let you see. Here we go. What this dress looks like on its own. Okay, I'm going to pull this up this way. And this overskirt, you can also get in an ivory color. So if you want to do something like that, you can and not have the pink. So let me just set down this skirt here quick. So you can see how big of a difference that makes with this dress specifically. I mean, it still has a super cute tulle skirt. Once again, if you're going more minimal in things, you can definitely do that, okay? Super cute still. I think it's gonna look fabulous if this is the look you're going for. The other awesome thing about accessories in a way that really be you is using them to add some color to the dress. I am a huge fan of a colorful sash. And what I love about it is if you don't want to use it for the ceremony, you can always put it on for the reception or just some of the pictures. I'm getting caught on a veil here. So I chose a shade of blue because blue is my favorite color. So teal, light blue, dark blue, I'm all over those. But you can see how big of a difference even doing that makes. And if you want to do that and still have some sparkle, you can definitely add that little brooch back on there, you know? But you can see how much that transforms it between the pink tulle overskirt, the colorful sash, and just how the dress is on its own. I think this one's an awesome example because I was able to do more with it. But really, any dress, you can do that. You can really change the tone and the feeling of the dress to really fit how you want to feel and make you feel even more at home in your dress than you do just in the dress. So it's one reason that we love to accessorize you here. So thank you for watching. If you want more accessory videos, let me know. Hopefully, maybe next time I can see if my sister or a friend can come in and try on the dresses again for us, because I love doing it when they're on a body so you can see them that way too. But thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on Shop Talk with Sarah. Bye-bye.